When to dismiss it. Every person ever born started out knowing nothing about anything. We don't come out of the womb as CEOs, plumbers, actors, or physicists. Knowing nothing at first doesn't make us imposters. It makes us human. When we try something for the first time, it's natural to feel self-conscious, awkward, or self-critical of our performance. But if it's in our hearts to do it, we will persist. Remember, you are no different than anyone else. You're not better than anyone, and no one is better than you. You are already enough. If you have a dream or vision and are committed to achieving it, nothing can stop you. You'll learn whatever you need to learn as you fulfill your vision. If this feels true for you, give yourself permission to learn something new. Get some competence with it, enjoy it, and then share it with others and get paid for it. Anyone who has ever accomplished anything in life knew nothing at one time. Still, they persisted, and they deserved to have more. You deserve great things just like anyone else, but you must be willing to receive all the good that comes to you. Only you can choose this for yourself. Only you can say, I want more for myself. Only you can say, I am willing to receive all the good that comes to me, and then act. You can dismiss imposter syndrome when you are still able to act.